As a doctor, what's the most shocking thing to happen while delivering a baby? I'm not a doctor, but I was the new mom when this happened. I was in the hospital delivery room, and my baby decided to present shoulder first. No matter what the staff did to turn her, nothing worked. Finally, the doctor reached in and began to gently rotate the baby. I started screaming as he moved her. They shut the door and tried to calm me down. Even the doctor said, "This shouldn't hurt." Oh, but it did. When the baby was delivered, the doctor saw why I had been yelling. Clutched in her tiny hands were 2 small handfuls of tissue. After everything was done and the uterus was empty, the doctor became concerned about the amount of blood still flowing. So back in he went, metaphorically speaking. It turned out the baby had grabbed the inner lining of my uterus and held on tightly while the doctor was turning her, ripping the uterine lining in the process. After many, many stitches, the issue was resolved and both of us were healthy and happy. I even got an extra day in the hospital, which was a bonus. This made it into the medical journals somewhere, though I'd only be able to give the year.